But hey there. Have you ever wanted to bake some yummy snacks but didn't know how? Well, in this series, we'll show you how to make delicious snacks that anyone can make. All you need are a few simple ingredients and a little bit of imagination. So grab your aprons and get ready to have some fun in the kitchen. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making some tiny pizzas. They're cheesy, they're saucy, and they're bite-sized. Perfect for a party or a snack. Who could ask for anything more? To get started, you'll need some puff pastry, tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, olives, anything you'd like to put on your pizza. Roll out the puff pastry and cut it up into little squares. We're going to roll those suckers up. Fill them with sauce, cheese, and any toppings you like. Then we'll roll them back up, tuck it in so it doesn't fall apart in the cooking process, and then roll them out again to make sure it's all nice and even. We're going to roll them up one more time. Tuck it in, roll it out, and then we're going to roll it up one more time. This is so much fun. You can make it into whatever shape you want. You can make hearts, stars, circles, anything you'd like. It's so fun to make these little tiny pizzas. While these are baking, let's go ahead and make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together the tomato sauce, dried oregano and salt. You don't have to add salt if you don't want to, and then spread a thin layer of the sauce on top of each pastry square. Be careful not to put too much or else it'll spill apart in the cooking process. Now let's add the cheese. We Rigon use a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese and a little bit of mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese that you'd like. And then add your toppings of choice. I'm adding some pepperoni and some olives. I love olives, but you don't have to add toppings if you don't want to. But if you do, go ahead and add them now. Roll the pastries up tightly. Tuck in the ends to make sure that they don't fall apart in the cooking process, and then roll them out to make sure they re-even. Place the pastries on a baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And then, once they're done baking, let them cool down for a few minutes before you eat them. And that's it. You've made your own tiny pizzas. They're cheesy, they're saucy, they're bite-sized, and they're perfect for a party or a snack. Who could ask for anything more? Next time you're looking for a fun and easy snack to make, try these tiny pizzas. They're cheesy, they're saucy, and they're bite-sized. Plus, they're really easy to make. So even if you've never baked before, you'll be able to make these no problem. And best of all, they're absolutely delicious. So what are you waiting for? Go to the kitchen and start baking today. You never know. You might just surprise yourself with how good your tiny pizzas turn out. Just remember to have fun and enjoy the process. That's what baking is all about. So put on an apron, grab some ingredients, and let your imagination run wild. You never know what kind of deliciousness you might create.